Now we will see one very big award given to a renowned Hindi author, and that award is Gnanpith Award. First I will tell you what is this Gnanpith Award. Gnanpith Award is India's highest literature prize. It is given in any one of the 22 languages which are mentioned in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, and this award is given every year by an organization called Bharatiya Gnanpith. And the first award was given in the year 1965, and the first award winner is G. Shankara Kurup. G. Shankara Kurup is a Malayalam writer. He was given the first ever Gnanpith Award, which is India's highest literature prize, in the year 1965 for his book Vadakkujul. From 1965 to 1981, this highest literature prize called Gnanpith was given to a specific book. But what happened later, from 1982 onwards, it is not given to any specific book, but it is given to lifetime achievement or lifetime contribution to the literature. The first woman winner of this prestigious literature prize is Bengali writer Ashapurna Devi. Ashapurna Devi won Gnanpith Award in the year 1976 for her Bengali novel Pratham Pratisruti, and so far 8 women were given Gnanpith Awards. Now we will come to current affairs. This in November 2017, the 53rd Gnanpith Award has been announced to Krishna Sobti, a very eminent Hindi woman writer. So, Krishna Sobti is the recipient of the 53rd Gnanpith Award for the year 2017, and it was announced recently in the month of November. She is the 53rd Gnanpith recipient, and she is the 11th Hindi writer to get this very prestigious award. And out of these 11 Hindi writers, she is only the second woman writer in Hindi language to bag this Gnanpith Award. The first is Mahadevi Verma, who won Gnanpith Award in the year 1982. So, Mahadevi Verma won in 1982 for Hindi language, and now in 2017 it is Krishna Sobti who won the Gnanpith Award. I will tell something more about Krishna Sobti. Krishna Sobti is a very old veteran Hindi writer. She is 92-year-old Hindi author. She was born on February 18th, 1925 in a city called Gujarat, which is today in Punjab province of Pakistan. So, she was born in a city which is different from our Gujarat state, in a city called Gujarat, which is currently in the Punjab province of Pakistan. And in the year 1980, she got Kendra Sahitya Academy Award for a Hindi novel called Zindagi Nama. And in the year 1996, she received Sahitya Academy Fellowship also. In the year 2010, the central government announced Padma Bhushan to Krishna Sobti, but she declined the award. She has not received Padma Bhushan, even though it was announced by the central government in the year 2010. And I will tell you some of her more famous Hindi books apart from Zindagi Nama, which I already mentioned, which won her Kendra Sahitya Academy Award. Some more Hindi books I will read. I will tell you, one is Mitro Marjani, Dar Se Bichudi, Dilo Danish, Badalon Ke Ghere, A Ladki, and Gujarat Pakistan Se Gujarat Hindustan. She is referring to the Gujarat city in which she was born in the year 1925. So, Gujarat Pakistan Se Gujarat Hindustan is another famous book written by the 2017 Gnanpith Award winner Krishna Sopti. And the choice of her subjects in her novels include India-Pakistan partition, relationships between man and woman, changing dynamics of the Indian society, and the gradual deterioration of human values. So, these four are the main subjects of her novels. I will read once again: India-Pakistan partition, relationships between man and woman, changing dynamics of the Indian society, and the gradual deterioration of human values. So, these are the four important subjects of her novels, and her name is Krishna Sopti, Hindi literature, who won the 2017 Gnanpith Award. Coming to Telugu authors who won this prestigious Gnanpith Award, there are only 3 Telugu writers who won this Gnanpith Award. One is Vishwanatha Satyanarayana in the year 1970, and for his book Ramayana Kalpavriksham, and second winner is Dr. C. Narayan Reddy 1988, and his famous book is Vishwambara, and in the year 2012 Ravuri Bharadwaja, and his famous book is Pakudu Rallu. So, these 3 Telugu authors won the Gnanpith Award. So, ever since it was started in the year 1965, only 3 Telugu authors won this award: Ravuri Vishwanatha Satyanarayana, Dr. C. Narayan Reddy, and Ravuri Bharadwaja. And remember Dr. C. Narayan Reddy because he recently passed away. He passed away in 2017. So, this is about Gnanpith Award. Thank you.